Hi, greetings. This is Dr. Raj. Monday, 2nd of September. You know, Mondays are my favorite day of the week. Why? Because you can put together your week, you can plan your stuff, and you can get it done because you already know what you plan to do for the rest of the week. And it's also the first working day of the month, September. Very good month for us because we have a lot of plans for this month. One of the plans that we have, which we've been advertising before, is teaching you massage techniques, the things that you need to know when you have to do a massage. Now, anyone can go and do a massage, but sometimes you end up rubbing the person, irritating them, as opposed to massaging them, getting that lactic acid out of the system, making the person feel relaxed. That's where the oils coming, or the cream, or whatever you're using to do the massage. Those things help the person to relax a little more. The smells that you get, the scent that you put in the room, the temperature of the room, the technique that you use, the pressure that you use, all those things you'll be learning when you come to do the massage course. Now, the massage course, we have our first rotation starting in September. It starts this Saturday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So those of you who want to be part of that, you can contact me directly, 740-1961. You can call the office, 645-4543 or 645-9829, or you can contact Prashant. He will put his number after the end of this video. He's the one that does all the social media at Total Image. He's the one that takes care of these things at Total Image. So all the information that you need, you can get it from Prashant. Now, if you contact me, I will pass the information on to Prashant. So have no fear. Once you contact me or the front office, the information goes to Prashant. Now, the classes, the first rotation starts in September. This Saturday coming. I think that's the 6th, or the 7th. So we'll have our classes beginning. Those of you who have registered already verbally or by cell phone, you need to come in a half hour earlier. So you need to be here by 3:30 to fill out the form, to do whatever you need to do to be part of the classes. Once we get started, the procedure, we'll go through the procedure of the breathing techniques, the energizing techniques, the things that you need to learn. I can guarantee you at the end of your first session, you can go home, you can go to your loved one, you can go to your husband, you can go to your wife and do a massage. It may not be perfect, but it will be a massage. And one of the things that you got to remember about massages is you must practice. So the more you practice, well, of course, the other person is going to get the benefit of you studying massages. The more you practice, the better it is for you, the better it is for your partner, because then you develop your own technique as you go along. So you'll incorporate the things that we're teaching you. You'll bring your own technique into the whole fray. You'll add the ingredients that you need for a good massage, which is the stuff that we'll be talking about. I don't want to go into too much detail because this is not the class. This is just an invitation for you to become part of the class, part of the classroom setting, to learn to do massages. Then you move on to other things. You can go on to the intermediate class, you can go on to the advanced class. At the end of the day, you can be a massage therapist for sensual massage or some therapeutic massage. You will be qualified to do that. You can go on to even open your own little business if you want to do so. It is something that is going to be beneficial to you in the long run. But of course, if you do it with your partner, if you do it to your partner, what you're doing is that you're creating that energy between both of you. You are going to make a better relationship. So if you have a good relationship, or if you have a great relationship, it becomes better. So you are investing in that. You are going to be a better lover. You're going to be more careful, more carefree, and also more caring towards the person, because the person will realize that, hey, this person who I love, this person who I want to be with, my boyfriend, my girlfriend, my husband, my wife, whoever it may be, they're doing things for me. They're making me feel good. So you need to feel good. The feel-good moment with massages, it's always there. Of course, we'll tell you about the things that happens to a person when they get in a massage, because there are a lot of arousal points. The erogenous zones of the body that we'll be teaching you how to work on those erogenous zones. We'll be teaching you about the different energy level from the lowest chakra all the way up to the top. The Kundalini, the energy system that we have, which is our nervous system. Every single thing that you need to learn about massages, but not only that, your relationship and how to connect with your partner. That's what we'll be teaching you. The connectivity between you, the masseuse or the massage personnel, and the person who is receiving the massage. Now, of course, if you do it over a number of times to your partner, he or she can do it to you. They may not be perfect at it, or they want to come to the next class, which starts in October. We have one in September, October, November. We have 3 classes for the rest of the year. This is our first one for 2019. Before we were doing individual teachings and some small classes and whatnot. Now we are doing it in a structured way because we have someone who can take care of that. I want you to be part of it. I want you not only to listen to what I have to say on the radio and learning about good relationship and how to be a good lover and all those things, but I want you to learn a technique. And later on, we'll be teaching you other techniques. But that's for another program and another time. Also, for those of you in South, we have our Debe office. We have the store in Debe and we have the clinic in Debe. We'll be teaching massage and massage techniques there also. But not only massage and massage techniques, but other things to make your relationship pump. To make the best possible relationship for you, your husband, your wife, whoever it may be. If you have a group of women that you're taking care of, a group of men you're taking care of, we'll teach you what to do. It's important to know the fine-tune or to fine-tune the important little things so it makes your relationship much better. Anything you want to learn, any information that you need, contact me directly, 740-1961. That's my cell phone number, that's my text messaging number, and it is also my WhatsApp number. My personal cell phone number is 740-1961. So you can contact me that way. You can contact me via Facebook, this Facebook page, or my personal Facebook page, which is Giriraj Ramnanan. You can contact us through the cell phone at the office. You can call directly, 645-9829, 645-4543. There are many ways you can contact me. You can contact the office. And of course, Prashant number is there. I think it's 8191. So Prashant number is there also. So be part of this. Feel the excitement. Get the energy. Come on down. Be part of the training session so you can do the massage for your partner and make your partner feel good. Be a better lover. Thank you.